Hello, everyone. Welcome back. If you have a bank account, a smartphone, or have made online purchases recently, this video is for you. December is bringing the final deadlines for multiple federal and economic relief settlements, and if you qualify, you could receive up to $300 directly into your account. These programs are official, government-backed, and are designed to give money back to people who were affected by things like overdraft fees, recalled products, unwanted charges, or even natural disasters. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step exactly how to check eligibility, submit a claim, and get paid, so you don't miss out. Stay tuned because some of these claims have deadlines approaching fast, and missing them could cost you money you are legally entitled to. Before diving into the full list, let me share my personal experience. A few months ago, I submitted a claim for a consumer settlement related to Walmart recalled goods. Honestly, I had forgotten about it. Weeks later, I checked my Venmo account and saw $42 credited automatically. This proves that these programs are real, and if you act now, you could see similar payments, sometimes even larger, up to $300. I've also heard from viewers that other federal and economic relief payments have started arriving this December. These funds may not seem huge, but when they hit your account, they can cover groceries, utility bills, or add extra money for the holidays. This is why it's so important to check your eligibility today. Many people mistakenly believe that claiming these federal and class action settlements requires hiring a lawyer, that the process is complicated, or that it involves expensive legal fees, but that is completely untrue. For the types of settlements we are discussing today, including banking fee refunds, product recalls, data privacy settlements, and federal economic relief claims, you do not need a lawyer at all. The court or government has already appointed class counsel, experienced attorneys whose job is to handle all the legal proceedings, negotiations, and paperwork on behalf of everyone in the affected group. This means that all the legal work is already taken care of and the lawyers are compensated directly from the settlement fund itself, so you won't have to pay a single cent now or later. Your role is simple. All you need to do is carefully verify your eligibility, check the dates, purchases, or account information as required, and then fill out a claim form accurately. By following the clear instructions provided and submitting your claim before the stated deadline, you can secure your portion of the settlement. The process is designed to be accessible, straightforward, and fully legal, even for someone with no prior experience with legal forms or government programs. In other words, anyone who qualifies can claim their money without navigating any complicated legal hurdles, ensuring that you can benefit from these settlements quickly and safely. Let's begin with banking-related settlements, which are some of the most common and overlooked opportunities for Americans to reclaim money they've overpaid in the past. Over the years, millions of people have unknowingly been charged overdraft fees, out-of-network ATM fees, or other account-related errors by their banks, often without realizing that these charges may have been excessive, unauthorized, or incorrectly applied. Now, several financial institutions have been required to provide compensation to affected customers, giving you a chance to get some of that money back. For instance, New York Community Bank is offering settlements for overdraft or ATM fees charged during specific periods, while Heritage Federal Credit Union is providing refunds for a variety of incorrectly charged account fees between December 2012 and April 2025. The potential payouts for eligible individuals can reach up to $150 per person, which might seem small, but when combined with other claims, it can make a noticeable difference in your bank account. The key is to act before the deadline on December 25th, because after that date, you may no longer be able to claim these refunds. Even if your fees seemed minor, submitting a claim is straightforward and can be done online, and it's important to remember that banks are legally obligated to compensate customers for these errors, making this a real and legitimate opportunity to recover money that is rightfully yours. Product and purchase settlements. Now let's talk about settlements related to products and purchases you may have made where you could be eligible for extra cash or refunds. First, if you had a HelloFresh or any meal kit subscription with an auto renewal plan and were enrolled between January 1st, 2019 and August 18th, 2025, this means that if your subscription was charged without your explicit permission, you could get that money back. In some cases, up to $150, depending on how much was charged. Another example involves recalled groceries, such as Treehouse Foods frozen waffles, which were recalled due to safety issues. If you purchase these products, you can claim up to 2 items, and even if you don't have a receipt, you may still be eligible. You just need to fill in the required details on the online claim form. The process is very straightforward. You submit your purchase information or account details, and then the claim is processed by the company or settlement administrator. The deadline for this claim is December 16th, so it's very important to apply on time. The goal of these settlements is to ensure that people are compensated for incorrect charges or recalled products, providing a simple and effective way to receive extra cash without any legal complications. Technology and data privacy settlements. If you've used social media platforms, apps, or purchased digital goods, you may be eligible for technology and data privacy settlements. These settlements are designed to compensate individuals whose personal information was used without authorization or whose data was affected by privacy breaches. For example, Facebook users, including AARP members who accessed Facebook or related apps between September 27, 2020 and September 12, 2025, may be eligible for payouts ranging from $47 to $237. Additionally, if you had an NBA Top Shot account and were active between June 15, 2020 and January 30, 2025, you could also qualify. The deadline to submit claims is December 16th, and it is strictly enforced, so submitting your claim on time is crucial. The best part is that for these settlements, you do not need proof of purchase or receipts. Only your account activity and participation records are required. The process is straightforward and legally backed, providing compensation for unauthorized use of your personal data, making it an easy and legitimate way for eligible individuals to receive extra cash. Life events and major claims. In addition to routine consumer or banking settlements, some programs are specifically designed to address major life events that can have significant financial impacts, such as selling a home, paying real estate commissions, or suffering losses from natural disasters. For example, if you sold a home at any point between October 31, 2017 and October 14, 2025, you may be eligible for a partial reimbursement of the real estate commission fees you paid. These settlements have nationwide coverage, but eligibility can vary depending on the brokerage or real estate company involved, so it's important to verify your specific situation with your broker or the settlement administrator. Another important category includes claims related to the Maui wildfires in August 2023, which may provide compensation for property damage, income loss due to disrupted work, or personal injuries sustained during the disaster. The deadline to submit claims for these wildfire-related settlements is December 22nd, so timely action is crucial. While these types of claims typically require supporting documentation such as proof of home sale, commission statements, insurance documents, or medical records, they often result in larger payouts compared to smaller product or banking settlements, making them a valuable opportunity for eligible individuals who have been directly affected by these major life events. If you have ever worked for companies that failed to pay proper wages, mishandled overtime, or did not provide the benefits you were legally entitled to, you could be eligible for wage and employment-related settlements that provide financial compensation. Employees of companies such as Burgatory Restaurants, Betacom, and Kasamba are included in these settlements and may be able to claim money for unpaid wages, overtime discrepancies, or benefit errors. These settlements are designed to ensure that workers receive the compensation they were legally owed, and even though some payouts may seem modest, they can still provide a valuable boost to your finances, especially before the end of the year. The process is straightforward and does not require hiring an attorney. To claim your money, simply click the direct links provided in the description for each settlement. Carefully verify your eligibility by checking the relevant dates and account or employment information. Fill out the claim form accurately and submit it before the listed deadline. By following these steps, you can secure your entitled funds without navigating complicated legal procedures. It's quick, easy, and fully legitimate. If you've never submitted a claim for these types of settlements before, now is the perfect opportunity to take action, because millions of Americans are already receiving these payments, and you don't want to miss out on funds that you may be legally entitled to. These programs are designed to provide real, tangible economic relief, whether it's for banking errors, product recalls, wage overpayments, or other government-approved settlements, so acting now could put extra money directly into your bank account. If you've previously received a settlement, consider sharing your experience in the comments below. Telling your story not only shows others that these programs are genuine and effective, but it also encourages more people to check their eligibility and claim what's rightfully theirs. Keep in mind that these payments are official, SSA-backed, and government-approved economic relief disbursements, which means missing a submission deadline could result in losing money that you are fully entitled to, so it's crucial to review your eligibility and file your claim as soon as possible. All the direct links to every settlement mentioned in this video are available in the description below. Take a few minutes to carefully review each one, confirm your eligibility, and submit your claim immediately. Don't wait, because